Understanding security measures. Here we will discuss various security measures that can prevent successful attacks or breaches. We will cover management or administrative measures as well as technical measures. Security measures that can be implemented to safeguard the information security systems. First one being firewall. Here the insiders are protected from the outsiders, that is, people on the internet. A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. A firewall typically establishes a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network, such as internet. IDS or IPS. Intrusion detection is the process of monitoring the event occurring on your network and analyzing them for signs of possible incidences or violations. Intrusion prevention is the process of performing intrusion detection and then stopping the detected incidences. Proxy servers. These act as an intermediary between client and the server when the client seeks resources from the server. A client connects to the proxy and the proxy evaluates the request and pass the request to the server and get the results back. This makes sure that both the client and the server are isolated from each other, as both talk to the proxy and not among themselves. Antivirus or anti-malware solutions. Virus is a piece of code that is capable of copying itself in order to cause damage to your computers, including corrupting your system or destroying your data. This includes trojans, spyware, worms, adware, ransomware, viruses, etc. The antivirus or anti-malware will protect your network. First it will detect and then will protect from any such harms. Patch management solution. Patch management is the process that helps acquire, test and install multiple software patches on the existing applications, software or an operating system. It addresses the vulnerabilities that were observed after the release of the software application or the operating system. VPN servers. A VPN or a virtual private network is a secure tunnel between two or more devices over a public network. VPNs are used to protect private web traffic from snooping, interference and censorship. It provides security and privacy to private and public networks such as internet. It uses protocols like PPTP, L2TP, IPsec, OpenVPN, etc. VLANs. VLANs can keep network applications separate despite being connected to the same physical network and without requiring multiple sets of cabling and networking devices to be deployed. Because VLANs are based on logical instead of physical connections, they are extremely flexible. They provide security, performance and virtual workgroup functionalities. Access control. Access control is a selective restriction of access to resources and locations within the premises of the company. Access control is any mechanism that manages access through the authorization or revocation of rights to a physical or logical assets within an organization.